Hi ladies, good morning. Hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday. And this short tutorial is for explaining how to use a new website that I really hope you'll enjoy. So the name of this website you can find in the instructions in Algebraics is called edpuzzle.com. For the first time, you'll need to sign up. They'll ask you if you're a student or a teacher. You'll choose student. And you'll use your school's email to sign for this website. So I'm choosing my daughter's email this time. And when you enter, they'll ask you for the code that you can also find in your Algebraics instructions I left. When you type it, it'll appear that they found you a class that I assigned days before. This is the 4th grade. The name of the teacher is me, Galina, and this is the code. Okay, you can write down your nickname. Please write down a nickname that I can understand. Okay, remember that we have 3 Majos in the classroom, so I need to be able to identify which Majo have answered this activity. Okay, I will put my daughter's name. Okay, so when you enter, you'll see that it's the 4th grade and it has a due assignment. Means that it has a limit, the day of limit when you need to give this. You'll have until June the 4th, okay? So you just click and it starts today. Here we go. You just click on the activity and it'll appear a video. The small dots that you have here, they represent questions that you will have about the video. You won't be able to move forward or continue watching the video without answering the question. If you answer it correctly, the program will show you your feedback right away. When you answer it, you need to click continue, so this way the video will go on showing them further information. You don't need to send me a picture of this activity because I'm getting the feedback from this app automatically. Okay guys, so I really hope you enjoy this activity and you'll keep having fun and learning English at the same time. Take care. Love you guys. Bye.